हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, इस वीडियो में मैं आपको रीडर के चैप्टर्स एक्सप्लेन करूँगी। पहले मैंने आपको बोला था कि आप बस क्वेश्चन आंसर्स लिखेंगे, उसे खुद रीड करके समझेंगे। क्यों? क्योंकि अनसीन पैसेजेस समझाए नहीं जाते हैं, बट आप सबको अब तक समझ आ गया होगा कि कैसे अनसीन पैसेजेस सॉल्व किए जाते हैं। तो इसीलिए अब मैं फर्स्ट चैप्टर से ही आपको समझाऊंगी ताकि आपको समझ आ जाए और ऐसा ना हो कि किसी बच्चे को कुछ नहीं समझ आया हो। वैसे मुझे पता है सबको सब कुछ समझ आ गया है, पर मैं फिर भी समझा देती हूँ। अगर ऐसा कोई भी बच्चा हुआ, एक या दो, जिन्हें नहीं समझ आया हो, वो आगे मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं। अब क्योंकि इंग्लिश एक सब्जेक्ट है एंड इंग्लिश को मैं हिंदी में पढ़ाना प्रेफर नहीं करती हूँ, क्योंकि इंग्लिश को इंग्लिश में ही पढ़ाया जाता है। तो जो भी एक्सप्लेनेशन होगा वो पूरा इंग्लिश में ही होगा। बहुत इजी वे में समझाऊंगी। अगर आपको कोई वर्ड नहीं समझ आता है तो आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं। तो अब शुरू करते हैं। आई विल स्टार्ट विथ रीडिंग द स्टैंजाज। स्टैंजाज मतलब पैराग्राफ्स। अब मैं फर्स्ट चैप्टर के स्टैंजाज पढ़ूंगी और हर स्टैंजा को समझाऊंगी। सो प्लीज़ ओपन योर बुक्स एंड रीड विथ मी. So, the name of the first chapter is We Shall Overcome. Let's read the first stanza. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. So, in these lines, the poet believes, he feels, he thinks that everyone will be successful. A day will come when we will all succeed in solving our problems. Moving on to the second stanza. We'll walk hand in hand, we'll walk hand in hand, we'll walk hand in hand someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we'll walk hand in hand someday. So in these lines, the poet says that he strongly believes that a day will come when all the people will have similar or same thoughts and they will be together with love. They will be united. Moving on to the third stanza. We are not afraid, we are not afraid, we are not afraid today. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we are not afraid today. So, in these lines, the poet says that the time has come when we are not afraid of anything, where we are not scared of anything, we are fearless. Moving on to the fourth stanza. The truth shall make us free, the truth shall make us free, the truth shall make us free someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe the truth shall make us free someday. So, in these lines, the poet says that soon a day will come when everyone will know the truth and the truth will set them free from all the illusions. What are illusions? Illusions are wrong beliefs, false beliefs. Moving on to the last stanza. We shall live in peace, we shall live in peace, we shall live in peace someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall live in peace someday. So, in the final and the last stanza, the poet says that he believes a day will come when all the fights among the people will be over and all the people in the world will enjoy the peace around them. So, the chapter comes to an end. Every stanza has been explained, and you know this song because you have learnt it, and we sing this song at the school also. Now you know the meaning also. So in case there is any word that you did not understand, please clear your doubt and ask from me. That's it for the chapter and the video. Thank you so much for your patience, all of you.